In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Revolut to Binance. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open the Revolut app on your mobile device, and let's say you have some money in your account. As you can see, I don't have any, but I'm gonna explain you how you can do that. So you're gonna have to simply tap on this credit card, the icon in the top right corner, and then here you're gonna have to simply tap on add new. Now you're gonna have to select virtual. As you can see, I've reached the card limit, so I can't create a new one, but you're gonna have to simply tap on that, and it's gonna look something similar to this. As you can see at the bottom, I have this virtual card. Now I can't click on it because Revolut doesn't allow me to do that because I'm recording my screen. But what you're gonna have to do next is simply tap on that virtual credit card and then simply reveal the 16-digit code, the expiration date, and the CVV. Now you're gonna have to copy those, and then you're gonna have to simply go to Binance. So as you can see here on Binance, you're gonna have to simply log in into your account and then simply click on buy crypto. Now the next step is to simply enter the amount of money that you want to transfer from Revolut to Binance. So let's say $100, and then choose USDT. Now what you're gonna have to do next, you're gonna have to simply click on buy now and then simply enter that virtual credit card information to basically transfer the money from Revolut to Binance. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.